Abu Ishaq states, I was sitting along with Aswad bin Yazid in Masjid Azam, whereas Shabi was also along with us. Shabi narrated the hadith of Hazrat Fatima, Qais' daughter, that Allah's Apostle ﷺ did not decree either an accommodation or a maintenance of her. Aswad took a handful of pebbles and threw them to Shabi and says, it is pathetic that a man like you narrates such a hadith. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, we cannot forsake Allah's book and the sunnah of Allah's Apostle ﷺ for the sake of a woman's saying, we do not know whether she has remembered it or forgotten. A divorcee has a right to an accommodation and maintenance. As Allah Jalla Jalaluhu says, turn them not out of their houses during prescribed period, nor should they themselves go out unless they are involved in any flagrant indecency. Surah Talaq, verse 1. Sahih Muslim, Hadith number 3694.